So today we're going to look at translating word problems, and before we begin, I would just like to bring to your attention just some little set of guidelines that you should consider when working with these word problems. So the first thing I would advise is to read the problem carefully and figure out what it's asking you to find. So usually you want to read the problem as many times as you can in order to get an understanding of what the problem is asking you. Next, you want to assign a variable to the quantity you're trying to find. Now, in some problems, they might actually give you the variable, but in others, it's up to you in order to assign what kind of variable you want to use. Then, when you do assign that variable, you want to make sure you figure out what it's representing. So you want to label that variable just so that you can reference it. From here, you want to translate either the word problem into an equation or an expression, dependent on what the problem is asking you to do. From there, it's just a simple matter of solving it using 7 tools of equality that we've already gone over, and then checking your solution. So with that in mind, we're going to look at some examples. The first example is a football player gained X yards rushing. On the next down, he gained 9 yards. What expression represents the number of yards he gained altogether? So we have a football player gained X amount of yards. So these are the yards that he has gained rushing. Then on the next play, he gains 9 more yards. So in addition to this X amount of yards, he gains 9 more. And we were just asked to represent this using an expression. And then from there we'll move on to the next